Home prices are up 7.7% year to date in Annapolis. It's Friday, May 16th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Home prices are up in all zip codes but 21409, which fell 8% year to date to a median $565,000 through the end of April. 21401 is up 8.3% year to date to $655,500. 21403 rose 20.5% to $662,500. 21405 went up 24.9% to $1,905,000. Inventory rose very slightly to 194 homes for sale in Annapolis. Another 39 properties are coming soon. 31 homes went under contract in 11 median days. 25 homes sold for 100% list-to-sold ratio in 6 days with a median sales price of $550,000. There are 25 homes for lease at $2,800 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 16th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.